Jasnon specializes in R&D and manufacturing of new energy electric vehicles, including electric two-wheelers, tricycles, and electric vehicle. Founded in 2015, the company leverages deep industry expertise, core technologies, and strong supply chain advantages to integrate R&D, design, production, and sales. With sharp market insight, reliable quality, and excellent service, Jasnon exports products globally to regions like Europe, the US, Southeast Asia, and Central Asia, partnering with established local brands and distributors. Jasnon's skilled R&D team designs vehicles tailored to different national standards and market needs, utilizing its supply chain strength. It offers comprehensive OEM and ODM services and employs flexible SKD models for emerging markets. A dedicated quality control team ensures vehicle safety and reliability through a robust management system. Jasnon aims to provide economical, safe, and comfortable electric vehicles globally, promoting green mobility. Slogan: not a vehicle, but a freedom partner. The 39.37-hectare factory has an annual capacity of 200,000 vehicles. Certified to ISO 9001-2015, 3C, EEC, and ADRS standards. It features advanced equipment like OTC welding robots, press brakes, grinders, milling machines, and wire-cut EDM, integrating stamping, welding, painting, and assembly processes with full traceability. Jasnon produces a wide range of two-wheeled EV, electric tricycle, and electric vehicle for commuting, cargo, transport, and recreation. Each diverse product portfolio caters to varied consumer needs.